Under the subject of manufacturing technology of a degree semester 5 in mechanical engineering department, today we are going to see the experiment number 6, which is to study about making sand samples using sand rammer. So first of all, let us understand what is a sand rammer. A sand rammer is a piece of equipment used in foundry sand testing to make test specimen of molding sand by compacting bulk material by free fixed height drop of a fixed weight for 3 times. It is also used to determine compactability of a sands by using special specimen tube or a linear. The sand rammer consists of a ramming head attached to a falling weight that drops from a fixed height. The guide sleeves ensures vertical motion and the pedestal holds the specimen tube firmly during ramming. So let's see, this is the diagram for the sand rammer. As you can see, the cam and crank lever is given. When we are pressing the crank lever, the cam is actuated and the weight which is seen, it falls from some specific heights, and it is done for 3 times. It is specified and standard that 3 times the weight should be lifted and it should fall into the fall on the space for preparation of the specimen in the ram tube. So this is a sand rammer. So how these sand samples are prepared using sand rammer. So let's see the step-by-step process. The first step is preparation of sand, in which we take a sample of prepared molding sand and check that it has the desired moisture and tempering. Sieve the sand if required to remove lumps or foreign particles. The second is filling the specimen tube. So place the specimen tube on the rammer base. Fill the sand in the specimen tube in 3 equal layers by volume. Then ramming operation. In ramming operation, place the rammer in position above the specimen tube. Allow the weight to fall freely 3 times, once each layer from the specified height. Each blow compacts the sand uniformly. Next step is striking off the excess. After ramming, strike off the excess and flush with top of the specimen tube using a straight edge or striking off bar. Next step is removing the specimen. Remove the compacted sand specimen carefully by pushing it out from the tube. The standard specimen should have 50 mm diameter to 50 mm height and a smooth surface. Now the last step is inspection, in which check the inspection for cracks or surface defects. Weigh the specimen to confirm uniform density before using it for further testing. Now let us see which are the applications and advantages of using the sand rammer. So the applications are permeability test, compression strength test, shear and tensile test, and hardness test. So this sand rammer can be used in these all tests. Now let us see the advantages of sand rammer. So it produces uniform specimens. It ensures consistent compaction. It is simple and efficient operation.